Hi everyone, we are looking at question number 30 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question has given you a network diagram and it's asking you to calculate the maximum capacity of the channels. For this kind of question, I would suggest use a pencil so you can easily rub off as you're moving along, because as you'll notice when I'm going to solve this, I will have to move back and forth. So what it's asking is what is the maximum flow of the network. So let's solve this. So let's assume 350 comes out from here, right? So 350 means 200 would go here, 150 goes here. From this 200, this point C, there are three directions it goes. 50 can go here, 50 can go here, 100 can go here, right? 100 plus 50 is 200. Then when it reaches point B, 150 comes from here, 50 comes from here, 200 comes. In total there is a 200 here. But all point B can give out is 75 plus 50. So it can only give out 125, sorry. 75 plus 50, 125. So we have a problem here. We have already distributed too much. So what we need to do now is go back and make some corrections. So because only 125 can come here, we're gonna make this 0. Let's make it 125 instead of giving one full 150. And because this has become 0, that means only 150 can come out from point C. Because 150 can only come out from point C, so point A also can only bring out 150, right? So because, actually, we'll come to this later. Let's finish the diagram first. Now, 125 means 50 can go here, 75 can go here. All of that becomes 125. Here, because only 50 is coming, so 50 will only go. At this point, 100 plus 50 plus 75. So that is 225 would go from here, 225. So the total output would be 275. And we'll fix that as well, because this point as well, because from this point 150 came out and 125 came out, so 275 that came out. So the total flow of the network is 275. Next, what we need to do is, there's a cut that's been made here, and what the question is asking is that a minimum cut? Now, minimum cut is where the capacity is same, the capacity and the flow are the same. We have worked it out. Let's consider the edges. You've got 50 over here, you've got 75 over here. This direction is not going to be considered for the cut, and you've got 150 over here. So because this one, the capacity is 200, but the flow that's going out is 150. So capacity is greater than the flow. So that's why it's not a minimum cut. Here, the total capacity of this cut is 50 plus 75 plus 200. So the total capacity of this cut is 325, whereas the flow that's going out is 50 plus 75 plus 150, which is 275. So that's why this is not a minimum cut.